What's up, guys? Johnny here from Junk Gypsy's Brutal Honest Reviews. So today we have something special for you, and I do have a special guest with me again. And Greg, hello, all the way from Ontario.
Good day, everybody. Happy Saturday. Let's open the vault.
So we do have in the game the final vault from Leaf. And it finally has arrived, and each box has the final vault cards: 5 game used memorabilia cards, 4 autographed cards, and 1 mask card. Each card has been stamped with the vault logo. Each card has been inspected by the in-the-game staff before being packaged. So that's a good sign, and it does have all the little logos here on, so we do know that it has not been tampered with. And I do want to make a shout out to Bleacher Bum Collectibles. That's where I got it from. And there's some more information. You can get in contact with them: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Check them out on eBay. Go to their website. They have lots of good product and good prices as well. So let's see what we got. Are you ready for this one, Greg?
Let's rock and roll.
Alrighty. Alrighty. And comes in a nice little plastic case, all the cards. We'll just so it comes in like a little plastic container like this. I don't know if, see that, Greg?
There's your mask card.
So we'll take out the cards, and they all come in one pack like this. Alrighty, so our first card is a mask card. 1 of 5. The Mask 2 for the New York Rangers.
Sharp.
1 of 5.
Looks like a lung fist.
It says congratulations on the back. You have received a mask card from 2002-2003 Be a Player Between the Pipes series. Pictured on the front of this mask card is Mike Richter, while he played for the New York Rangers.
Awesome.
So that's the first hit. And the second hit, we're going to go like this. And we have a Decades 1980s game used jersey black. 1 of 1. Mike Gardner.
Nice. That's a nice color scheme on that whole card. That swatch blends in very nicely with that whole design. Take a look at that. 1 of 1.
1 of 1. So the only one that they made. So it says on the back, you have received a game used memorabilia card from the Decades 1980s series. In the game, incorporated on the front of this card is a piece of game used Mike Gardner Washington Capitals jersey. You have received a piece of jersey emblem or number as indicated on the front of this card. Enjoy the piece of hockey history. Dr. Brian Price. So they are certified by Dr. Brian Price, so which I have got the pleasure to meet in person. Okay, so our next card is a 1 of 1 Heroes and Prospects game used jersey from Sault Ste. Marie, Sergei Tolchinsky. Sergei Tolchinsky, 1 of 1.
Another 1 of 1. Wow.
So it says on the back again, you've received game used memorabilia card from 2012-2013 in the Game Prospect series. And it's from a game used jersey from Sergei Tolchinsky, Sault Ste. Marie Greyhounds jersey.
Alrighty.
1 of 1. So that's 2 1 of 1s now, and we still have some more hits to go. And our next card is a vault card. 2002 Signature Series for the Florida Panthers, Roberto Luongo.
Is that an autograph?
It is.
Looking good.
And it's kind of cool because on the back of it, it has like a little like serial number. It looks like a barcode.
I see it.
So it's
Pretty cool.
pretty cool looking card. All right.
Great player.
Next we have a 1 of 1
3 1-of-1s.
crease cut number between the pipes. Curtis McElhenney, yeah. Crease cut 1 of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colored? 4 colored.
Very nice. 1 of 1.
4 colors.
4 colors, you got it.
4 colors, and it's from 2007, 2008. That's a nice card. So that's 3 1 of 1s now. And we still have 2, 3, 4, 5 more hits. Okay, so our next hit. Oops. Our next hit is a 1 of 1 game used jersey from Parkhurst for the Philadelphia Flyers, John LeClaire, from 2002, 2003, Parkhurst. 1 of 1.
Another 1 of 1.
So this kind of looks like it's a little bit of a hot box because you're not always going to get a 1 of 1, and that's 3 now.
4?
4 now. So the next one we have is a vault card, a black vault card. 2013 Draft Prospect Autograph from Halifax. 2013 Draft Series, silver version of
I know who this is.
Nathan MacKinnon.
I would be correct. Solid.
Nathan MacKinnon. And it's actually a really nice on-card auto. It's not on a sticker or anything like that. It's on an auto.
2 left? 3 left?
3 left. Our next one is a Lord Stanley Mug Cup Rivals from 1982, 1 of 1. New York and Vancouver, Billy Smith and Tiger Williams.
5 cards are 1 of 1s so far. Dual jersey 1 of 1. Jeez. These guys want 1 of 1 nuts on this product.
I guess so, or unless I got a hot box. Second last one. Class of 2014, Heroes and Prospects Autograph. And it looks like a silver series autograph. It's on the sticker, no problem though, no biggie. Of Jake Virtanen. Jake Virtanen.
I think he's a Canuck.
He is. He is a Canuck. And our last card out of the pack is a in the game 1972, the year in hockey, Pool Popil on card auto.
Of who?
Pool Popil, Poulpopiel.
Interesting.
It's on card auto. It's not on the sticker. And
Gonna have to look
says
that one up.
it looks at in the background of the actual card. It says like back in here. It looks like to me it says Houston. Like back in here.
We'll have to check the checklist online and
So,
see what it says.
Yeah, I'll have to do a little bit of research on that. I've never actually opened this product before, and for what I got, I'm actually quite happy for what I got. And
Several one-of-ones. Nathan McKinnon on card auto. Curtis McElhenney patch.
yeah,
Was it a patch auto or a patch? I think it was a patch.
it was just a patch, I believe. Yeah,
There's no just about it. That was a 4-color patch.
it was a nice. It is a nice card, definitely for sure. It's a crease cut number. Let's show everybody again. 1 of 1. Show you again, Greg.
Yep. Looking good.
Yeah, beautiful. Alright guys, well that wraps up the video. If you liked the video, leave a comment and let me know what you want to see next, or if you want to see something particular opened up, let me know. Leave a comment, hit the bell icon, and subscribe. And see you on the next one.
Johnny?
Next one, I believe I'm going to open 2018-19 Upper Deck Series 1 tin. Picked that up from Walmart today. We'll see what we got. And then we will have another box of the Toronto Maple Leafs Centennial Set from Upper Deck, and that comes with 1 bonus pack and 1 card numbered to 99. So, stay tuned, folks. See you on the next one.